See that taillight? I'm taking it out. This is the same as the older ones. Watch how easy this is. Oh, what? Like magic. So, let me show you what I did. 4 8mm ratchet and 4 bolts. Now I unplugged everything and did everything inside behind this little trap door, just like on this side. So I gotta do the same on this side to get this bumper off. But that's how you remove the taillight on both sides of a brand spanky new Hyundai Sonata. So is there any bulbs? Probably not. Nowadays it's all LED. I'll crack her open, see what's in there. But that's how you remove the LED. So give me a sec. That is not a bulb. That looks like a dryer of some sort that keeps the circuits dry. No bulbs. So if you want to remove this thing, here's the arrow. Marks right there. Put it back in. I don't think why you'll ever need this thing, but with a huge screwdriver, turn it back so this little arrow at the end of the screwdriver matches this little notch right there. Whatever it is, don't know what it is, but we're gonna go put it back. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.